Okay, so that was MFN. That is, it's honestly, it's got huge ever since, well, the last time I went, which was a while ago. So I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, give it a like. But we did miss out a ton of cars just because there's that many here. I'd have been here for too long. Shortly after we left, there was a video circulating social media. This Yaris had completely lost control and got stuck in a ditch. Apparently someone got hurt. I'm not too sure. This is just what I've heard. I just hope that the police don't start shutting these meets down, because for 90% of the people, it's a chilled environment where they can meet other people and see other cars. And sadly, the small minority of people can ruin it for everyone else. So fingers crossed the police don't start shutting these stuff down, because MFN is such a big meet as well. I mean, I used to go about 7 years ago in my Mark II, so it's been going on a lot longer than that. I just hope this doesn't snowball into a full crackdown of car meets in general, no local meets at all, and you know, no meeting up in groups, because that's where it's heading if things like this keep happening. But anyway, I don't want to end on a sad note. If you guys did enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe, and come back every Sunday and Wednesday for an upload. Peace.